Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Scarfinger, and this I'm gonna do real quick because full disclosure, it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. I mixed these paints up a while ago, and I never really got around to it, so I need to go ahead and get this painting done and over with. So I saw a color that I really liked. It's kind of like a dark turquoisey kind of color. So I couldn't really find the color, so I had to make it. So how I made it is a mixture of this turquoise green from Master's Touch and this Master's Touch Phalo blue. And so I mixed those together, and then I needed a color to go with it. So what I did was I mixed the same colors, but leaned a little bit more on the green and added some white to make it lighter. And then I went back and forth about what color, what colors to add to it. I kind of knew that I wanted to have some white in it, and I wanted to add a metallic color, so I settled on Master's Touch Antique Gold. It was gold or silver or something like that, and I was I really went back and forth trying to figure that out, and I never really quite super decided, but it's gonna be what it is right now because this is what I have. So I'm gonna make this painting. I think I'm going to try to do more of a traveling ring. I might do side-by-side rings and then tilt from there. I don't exactly know how this is going to go. So you're going to find out when I find out, because I'm going to mix the paints up into a cup and we're going to figure this all out at the time. So hold on one moment and we're going to get to it. Let's get it. As you can see from the video, I switched it up at the last minute, and that's because I saw that my white mix was wrong, and there was lumps in it, and I didn't want to waste a larger canvas, so I just grabbed an 8x10 real quick because I didn't want to waste the paint and started over. I really do like this. You can see the rings are clearly defined over here when I started moving around, and here I did the ring kind of in the middle to just add a little bit of accent to it, and once I moved it over to canvas, it worked out really well. I like this. It's an 8x10, so it's not very large, but I really dig this, and it's time for me to start over and do something else. So I'm going to work on my white paint and my white mixture a little bit, and we're going to do something else very shortly. Check your boy out, facebook.com/PTCAC, and peace out.